In this video, I'll show you how to fix the remote control of your LG soundbar if it's not working properly or if it has issues. Step number one is to disconnect the soundbar from the wall outlet. So I'll go ahead and unplug it. Leave it like this until the end. I'll tell you when to reconnect it. So now take your remote control and we're gonna also remove the batteries out of it. Now I always suggest before attempting anything to replace this battery with brand new ones. Sometimes even if there's still a bit of energy left in them, the remote will not work as it should. So take some brand new ones. Now after you remove the batteries, go ahead and press the power button of the remote during 20 seconds. We want to remove all the remaining energy that may still be in the capacitors of this remote. After 20 seconds, you can release. Now, press each of these buttons very hard, at least 5 times. What we're trying to do is, over time there is dirt, dust, hair that gets trapped under these buttons. And if one of these buttons doesn't make contact when you press on it, the whole remote control can stop working just because of one button. And we don't know which one it is, and probably you don't want to try opening this remote. So by pressing really hard, we'll try to dislodge any dirt, any dust that may be trapped over there. All right? Try pressing very hard on all of these buttons, at least 5 times. Don't be afraid, nothing will break. All right, after doing this, go ahead, place back the batteries. If you could, try new batteries. Okay, and now connect back the soundbar in the wall outlet. Next step, power the soundbar using the button on it, the power button. And now go ahead and try the remote control. Hopefully,
auto power on.
It will work. Thanks for watching. I'll put links in the description if you want to purchase a replacement remote. If you're still having issues with yours, I'll put links to Amazon. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.